Hello again. Today I would like to talk about eggs. Our three wonderful grandsons are on holiday and they have given us the task of looking after their 4 hens. There were of course a lot more than 4, but somehow or other the others all disappeared. Now Grandad has been allocated the job of watering, feeding and collecting the eggs. The little rascals, however, have taken to laying their eggs on the floor of the hen house rather than on their nesting boxes. Hence, we have a good many dirty eggs. I decided, well, I have the job of cleaning the eggs, and I looked it up and I thought, well, what's the best way to clean eggs? So there are 2 ways. There's drying with a dry cloth, that type of thing, and there's also washing. But I've discovered that probably cleaning with a dry, slightly abrasive cloth is better, because the eggs apparently have a coating on them and it's called bloom. This coating actually prevents bacteria getting into the egg. It protects the shell and keeps all bugs and stuff like that out. And maybe by washing the eggs, you're actually washing off that bloom. So it was to wash or not wash, and I decided not to wash. We'll go with the dry wiping and the little abrasive cleaning. So here we are, we have an egg, and this is what I'm using today. So we will gently, very gently wipe the egg. Now, as you can see, turn it over. Any stubborn bits, we can give them a wipe, and they're cleaning very, very nicely. That's what I will have to do with all the eggs. I store my eggs, whether they're shop bought or fresh, I store them in the fridge. And these will be going into the fridge. I will take them out a short time before cooking, just to bring them up to room temperature, which is something I do. I know a good many people do not store their eggs in the fridge, but I do. That is my preference. The eggs are great, absolutely delicious, and I only hope that when our 3 grandsons come home, they will still have their 4 hens, and that a fox or any other predator has not got in and had them for dinner. So thank you very much for watching. I'll speak to you again soon.